What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be catching scammers in Animal Company, so let's get right into it.
Round one.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Goody is
Alright,
goody.
wanna trade?
Alright, so listen. I'm not trying to scare my friends in the brain. You can check, bro.
What?
Come here. My friend is in.
Wait, who is
you
this?
can check, bro. My friend, he's in brains right now.
Oh, okay.
Alright, you can check for yourself a little. Here, check.
Hold on. Okay. Let me check. Okay.
Alrighty.
What's that yellow thing, though?
Out there.
Alright.
Alright, let me see you got the Labubus in there.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, the other ones.
Oh no. I'll just get some other ones for my inventory.
Bro, who is texting me, bro? What?
Wait, where are they? Okay. There. Two more.
What you say, bro?
Alright. I got
Ready?
them.
Me too.
Yeah. Three,
Alrighty. Wait.
3, 2.
Let me do something real quick.
What? Okay.
Yo, D, you there?
I don't think he's there. Alrighty.
Yo,
Alright.
dude, I'm at the drain right now.
Alright.
Alrighty.
3, 2, 1.
Drop your bag, bro. Alright. Put it in
Alright.
front of you like this.
Yo, K, you there?
Yo, dude, Yo, what happened?
Oh, nothing. I almost died. I had to skip.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Alright, that's weird. Wait.
Run in.
Yeah, you still there, bro?
Alright.
People are waiting for me. People are waiting for me.
It's this guy.
Boss fat.
That's his name.
Round two.
I got this. Wait. And oh wait. And
No, because he wasn't answering. Wait, stand still. I need to check you. Okay.
okay, what? Yeah.
Just come like here so I can see you.
Okay.
Because I don't want you standing. Okay. So I got
That
you can't. Got deleted.
it did.
Yep. Oh. No, it is. It got deleted though. Can't get it anymore.
I
And
don't
it's
think it
jiggly
did.
wiggly. Jiggly wiggly.
Can you maybe add something?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, my headset's low.
Wait. Put it on.
Alright.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, that's pretty good.
Alright. Look.
Yeah, sure. 3, 2, 1, go. You're supposed to.
Don't get scammed.
I wasn't scammed.
I'm only joking. You really thought I was gonna Yeah.
I'm making a video.
But that was
I
a good-
thought you were
it's
actually
like-
scamming. I'm making a video.
It's
See ya.
good trade, bro.
Yeah, good trade. If you like and subscribe, maybe I'll do a part 2 on this video.